Alright, so over there is a 80-foot tall forestry tower. And as the words come out of my mouth, 80 feet, doesn't seem like that would be that hard for me to climb up. And it's just about sunset, so I'm gonna see if I can make it to the top of this thing so that we can have possibly a view of the sunset over the Grand Canyon. My. All right, ladies. GoPro, my dear Molly, there are huge openings in this railway all the way up. Stay directly over it. I'm telling you, this can be kind of dangerous, all right? And I'm not saying that just because I'm a big chicken when it comes to this kind of thing, okay? All right, I guess we'll just get right to it. All right, what I'm gonna attempt to do is just maintain steady momentum forward, because I feel like if I stop and think about it too much, I'm just gonna lock down, and we don't want that. Holy crap, it already feels like. All right, well, there's the sun over there. All right, it's not sunset yet, so we might as well just slow down a little bit, okay?
This is hilarious.
Okay. Molly, be very careful, okay? Right?
Uh-huh.
2 hands, 1 on each railing. Oh, son of a gun. Okay. Okay, alright. Alright, I can feel my legs doing that weird thing.
Don't look down, don't look down.
They're doing that thing where they
Don't want to move?
They don't straighten out all the way. It's happening. Crap, Molly, hey, listen, don't laugh at Daddy. You gotta hang on to these railings. Oh, Tambi, you can see it a little bit.
Beautiful.
Freaking crap. Shh. Okay. Higher than the trees. Higher than the trees. Oh, freaking crap. Don't think about it. Keep it. Alright. Oh, Lord.
Is it locked?
It is. It's locked. Okay.
Because you can't go in it.
Alright. So, we just discovered that the underside of this tower is locked. Hopefully not because it's, condemned or something. That would be a sad. Tambi, listen, you need to be more supportive, alright? Alright. Look, I'm just gonna ease. Alright. I'm just gonna set it down right there.
Wow.
Alright.
Beautiful.
Alright, there is the Grand Canyon out there.
It's a little bit windier up here.
Stop. Please, Tambi, this is, Tambi, this is serious.
It's like 80 feet high.
That's how deep we went down into Carlsbad Caverns. That's how high we are.
No way.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
It's not a good situation. Hey, I'm not even joking about this, Tambi. I think I need to go down.
No, you're not. You're not chickening.
It is. Listen, I can appreciate the view. Like, it is pretty cool.
Is this thing vibrating?
It is a little, Molly. pretty cool up here, huh?
Uh-huh.
Oh, sorry, I'm not even aiming at you. Sorry, I'm too scared.
It's for the caretakers who...
Sorry, I'm just thinking about this. Thinking about the breeze picking up a little bit and all the windage that's on this little house that's above us. Like I'm not even standing on my legs, and they feel tired just because they're so tense. My whole body. We need to, Tammy. I need to.
No.
Can I want to take some pictures.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this off for a second. Tammy, I'm so nervous right now. Like usually I'm very aware, like 100% of the time when I toot. But like I actually listen. I just broke wind. And my brain was like, what the heck was that noise? Alright, we're descending the condemned forestry fire tower. You see this? I mean, look, this is just wide open air gap down there. I mean, pretty creepy, especially if you're somebody like me and always thinking of the worst case scenarios. Nice and slow.
I've always wanted to climb one of these things.
2 hands, Molly.
I do.
One thing I can't believe is that there are no guide wires,
What's in
you know, running from the top of this tower down to the ground to support it.
Yeah, there are.
No, Tammy, no, are you talking about that? There's not.
That's
Look.
right there. It's not a guide wire?
No, that's like some kind of communication wire to the weather gear that's at the top of it.
Oh.
No, there's no guide wires. See, trust me, I noticed these things. I knew there weren't guide wires before we left the ground, Tabby.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Oh yeah, for sure I know that. All right, oh yeah, loosening up now. Woo, starting to feel like myself again. Now that I'm 10 feet off the deck. Oh yeah. All right. We made it.
We made it.
You know, kind of a funny thing is, you know, when we first spotted that tower, I was making some jokes with Tambi about certain activities that could occur at the top of that tower. And the simple fact of the matter is that would be a fundamental impossibility for anything like that to occur. So that's the reality of the situation. But I'm glad we climbed it.